Hey all, NZ Cards back with another video, and today we have Top Series 2 Baseball. This is the Mega Box format. Contains 16 packs, 14 cards per pack. And yeah, I'm really excited to get into this. Looking for the Jackson Holiday Fun Face Air SP rookie card. But yeah, that's basically what I'm mainly looking for. And there's also Jason Dominguez in here, Ellie De La Cruz, rookies. So yeah, let's see if we can pull any of those guys. Let's get right into it. I'm excited. Got this from Target for $50. So we'll see what we can pull. So far, all the videos I've seen on YouTube have been pretty good, actually. So we'll see. There's all of our packs. Wow, they're like all in there. There we go. Empty box. And yeah, there we go. Let's just lay our packs out like that and I guess get to ripping. I don't know how many cards are in the checklist, but I do know you can pull autographs out of these, and you can pull case hit, hometown hero inserts, and as well as number cards. So let's see what we can pull. I'm excited. All right, let's see. All right, we got Javier Hassad. I'm just gonna skip through the base, but we got Rendon, Peterson, Will Benson, rookie card of Calvin Caceres. Not sure, but rookie card. Luis Garcia. Let's see, let's peek. Oh, we have a backwards card. No way. No way. I think we do. Andres Munoz. Texas Rangers team card. Craig Kimbrell. Sosa. Hader. Oh, wow. Javier Baez. Oh, okay. That's not a short print. I thought it was, but foil, rainbow foil, Javi Baez. He's on the Tigers now. I remember when he was on the Cubs. Won the World Series back in 2016. There we go, Javi Baez. And then we have Bo Jackson, All-Star American League. That's kind of cool. I don't know what exact parallel that is, but that's a cool card. And then Marte, stars in the MLB rookie. I remember when he was on, what was it? The Mariners in Bowman. I think it was Bowman Chrome. His first cards came out of there. But yeah, that was the first pack. I'm going to readjust this a little bit. There we go. You can see the piles and everything. But yeah, let's get on to the next pack. Hopefully we can pull something big. We got Nick Castellanos. Future Stars, Bryce Miller. Move up closer. David Fry. Jacob Young, rookie. Soroka, Diaz, Julian, Luis Garcia, Guardians team card, Andre Lupcius, rookie. Alex Cobb, and we got two backwards cards. Let's see. Kyle Tucker. And then Gunnar Henderson, stars in the MLB. We got a pair of stars in the MLB, Gunnar Henderson, and then Kyle Tucker on the parallel. All right. Let's move right along. See what we have next. Next pack. All right. We got Davis Daniel, rookie. Oh, oops, wrong pile. Nolan Jones, Jose Azocar, Jordan Walker, Future Stars. That's cool. Liam Hendricks, Estevan Florial. Ooh, it does look like we have 2 backwards cards. Vaughn Grissom, Bryce Terrain, Reese McGuire, Spencer Steer. Ooh, Heston Kierstad. That's a good rookie. And Yamamoto, Topps Chrome, Stars of the MLB. Good pack. Alex Bregman and Jose Altuve, Stars of the MLB. That was a good pack. Yamamoto is the main guy we're looking for. Got the Topps Chrome variation of the Stars of the MLB card. And then Heston Kierstad, rookie. Cool. Awesome. Get that Yamamoto sleeved. Awesome. Readjust the piles real quick. So I would say those 2 cards, pretty nice. I think Kierstad is good. I just know Jackson Holiday. All the Orioles are really good. So sorry if I'm not too familiar and overreacted there. Kyle Nicholas, rookie. Kyle Tucker. But the Yamamoto is really nice. Pitcher for the Dodgers. And then we got Shohei. Speaking of Dodgers, there we go. First Shohei card for the Dodgers. Miguel Vargas, Future Stars. Whitelock. Max Kepler. Actually have his Topps Fire rookie autograph. Kirk Forrest Wall, rookie for the Braves. Austin Riley. Lyon Richardson, rookie. Evan Phillips. Bryce Harper. And Mason Wynn, sorry. Rookie, Stars of the MLB. So that pack was not the best, but that last pack was nice with the Yamamoto in particular. Next pack. We still have, I believe, like 13 packs, including this one, left. Ooh, we got a blue. I don't know what those are numbered to. Kyle Isbell, Lance Lynn, ooh, Pereira, or Everson Pereira. I actually have his Mega Box rookies, first Bowmans. Those are cool. But yeah, Everson Pereira and Series 2 rookie card. Minter, Justin Turner, Mets card, Jared Kelenic, Josh Bell, Max Scherzer, Lucas Sims, Yoan Moncada, and Andre Lupshis, blue rookie. Is that numbered? Not numbered, but it's a blue rookie. Then we have Manny Machado, All-Stars card, and a Junior Caminero. That's a good one. Stars of the MLB. I'll get that sleeved. And Lupshis. Nice blue parallel rookie card there. Don't know if he is good or not, but hopefully he is. Get that Caminero sleeved. There we go. Junior Caminero. So we have 4 sleeve cards at the moment. So that's nice. Next pack. Let's see. Wade Miley, Chris Bassett, Jackson Wolf, rookie, Chris Sale, Bertie Bobichette, Ornelas, rookie, Blake Rutherford, rookie, Gavin Lux, Jackson Rutledge. Actually have his first Bowman Mega Box number to 99. It's kind of funny. Jose Siri, and David Wright, and Matt Olson on the back. 2 parallel cards. Not too familiar with David Wright, but I don't think those are showstoppers or anything, but we'll keep moving on. All right. Got Jose Miranda, Hernandez, the Brewers, Jake McCarthy, Sanchez, Pipiat, Jordan Diaz. Ooh, Dodgers. Mookie Betts is on there. That's kind of cool. Just trying to move this base out of the way. Drew Rom, rookie. Edward Cabrera. And Josh Jung, home run challenge card. That's kind of cool. Kyle Tucker. And Evan Carter, rookie for the Texans. So, that's cool. I'm going to try to readjust the light here because I realize it's a little bit weird. There we go. That should be better. Next pack. I hope. Hopefully, though. It's a little bit better. All right, let's see. I don't think we have anything. Kyle Hendricks. Shoot. Yeah, the lighting's a little bit off. There we go. That should be better. That's good, I guess. Stanton. Sorry about that, guys. Just trying to get good lighting so you guys can see the cards. But Hernandez, Paul DeJong, Jordan Adams, rookie. Gio, Will Smith, Nolan Gorman, future stars for my Cardinals. Cabrera, Irvin Lopez, rookie for the Cardinals again. Then we have the Texans, postseason prominence. That's kind of cool. Christian Yelich and Kyle Tucker on the inserts. So nothing too crazy. Had some nice insert pulls. The best card, probably that Yamamoto. But we'll see. I think we're basically halfway. Yeah, this is our 8th pack. We have 8 packs remaining, including this one, so we're halfway currently. We do have a backwards card. Hopefully, that's a short print. Got Liddick. That's right. That was him, right? Wow, I definitely butchered that. I'm sorry, guys. Well, Dudjic. Yeah, that was way off. Not Liddick. I don't know what I was saying. Tristan Cassis, future stars. Rocio. Right, that's the Rocio. Sawinski. Shane Baz. Bryce Jarvis, rookie. Smiley. That's how you say it? Smiley, okay. Brian Bello, future stars. Kyle Farmer. Connor Phillips. All right. This might be a short print, so I'm going to move it to the back. But we got Garrett Cole. Insert. And then we have Pujols. That's cool. All-Stars card. Let's see what we have here. Jordan Walker to 50. Oh, that's cool. Jordan Walker, baby blue card to 50. That's sick. That's numbered to 50. Okay. And I just ruined the corner. Wow, that's sad. But it's numbered to 50. That's cool. Awesome. It sucks, though, because I ruined the corner. But, oh, well. Cool card. Gibson Long, rookie. Base. Venciano. Carrasco. Joe Kelly. Nick Lopez. Duvall. Twins. Josh Means. Joe Boyle. Brenton Doyle. Oh, it's Boyle and then Doyle. And then Sonny Gray. Oh, for the Cardinals. There we go. And Bo Bichette. Nice. Yeah, I really hope I can fix that corner on that Walker. Yeah. Cool card, though. It's sick. Number to 50 right there. 30 of 50. 12 off of his jersey number. But yeah, that's cool. We got 6 packs left. Let's hope for Jackson Holiday or LA De La Cruz. That'd be cool. Maldonado, Josh Rojas, Marte. There we go. That's a true rookie. I'll get that sleeved. Put that to the side. Nito, McKenzie, Correa, Riley Adams, Manny Machado, Lindor. Oh, we got 3 backwards cards. All right. Let's go from the back. Randy Arozarena. Then we have Derek Jeter, All-Star. And let's see what we have here. Brandon someone, rainbow foil. Cool. All right, let's keep going. How many packs do we have? 5 packs left. Oh, yeah, I need to sleeve the Marte. Sorry about that, guys. I know he's not half bad at all. Yeah, that's weird. When I was like, because I'm just trying to see. Okay, maybe it came out of the pack like that, the Walker, because when I sleeved it, I remember it nicked the corner on this side, and the Walker, the corner was nicked on here, but I'll show you guys at the end, I guess. You can be the judge. Was it Topps' fault? Then we have this guy, Jack Flaherty, Funderburk, okay, rookie, Madrigal, Olivares, Alexander Canario for the Cubs, but I know he's a good player. Whit Merrifield, Spears, Pratt, Bailey, and Sonny Gray for my Cardinals. There we go. 4 more packs. I would say overall, not a bad box. Oh, that just nicked the corner. Oh, we got a Topps Chrome insert. That's cool. Yeah, but with the Jordan Walker being numbered to 50, that might propel, the box to being good. But the Yamamoto is nice too. Okay, I know it's for the Cubs, but I know this guy's good. Pete Crow Armstrong, rookie. That's one of the main guys to chase. So I do have to respect greatness when I see it. And sleeve. Oh, yeah, I just ruined the... I think it is my sleeving, guys. I need some help with sleeving. What's a good technique that you guys recommend? Because it seems like I'm ruining the corners every time. Oh, Yamamoto, rookie. There we go. It's shaping out to be a good pack. Get that sleeved. Hopefully I won't ruin it this time. Try to be careful. There we go. Yeah, still nicked it a little bit, but Yamamoto, rookie. Not bad. And there we go. All right. Ruining the surprise, but it's okay. Lindor, Topps Chrome. Stars of the MLB. That's kind of cool. And Vlad. Spencer Strider. All right, well, we got 3 packs left. So far, we got Yamamoto, Pete Crow, Marte, Jordan Walker to 50, Junior Caminero, Andre Lupshis, blue, Yamamoto, Topps Chrome, and then Keston Hierstad. So not that bad, but it would be nice to get a monster here at the end. Jackson Holiday, fun face, short print, cough, cough. But, okay, we got something in the back. All these cards are now sliding around. Mason Miller, Cody Bellinger. Let's keep going. Hanafi. Sorry if I mispronounced that, guys. Dustin May, Brandon Lau. Alex Bregman, that's the backwards card. IAH. Yeah, I have no clue what that insert stands for, but there we go. And then Juan Soto. Ooh, that's kind of cool. And Trey Turner. I'm going to sleeve that. Juan Soto, Yankees parallel card. That's kind of cool. Oh, I just dropped it. Wow, that was... I'm just all over the place today, I guess. But we got 2 packs left. Hopefully, I can pull that big fun face short print. But it's highly unlikely. We got a blue. Pablo Lopez. Jake Irving. Altuve. Gomez, rookie. Basabe, rookie. Jury. Alvarez, future stars. Zach. Alex Cobb, blue. Juan Soto. And Ohtani. That's cool. I'll get that sleeved. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna get any more big hits because we got that one number to 50. Which, don't get me wrong, Jordan Walker, that's a nice card. But, you know, it just kind of signals that, you know, the short prints are probably not going to be in this last pack. So, we'll see. Last pack magic. Let's go. Let's see, do we have any backwards? Doesn't look like it. Kevin Ginkel. Miguel Rojas, Tyler Wells, JP Martinez, rookie, Jake Meyer, Kershaw, Carlson, Parker Meadows, rookie, and Ozuna. Oh, wow. Victor Wembanyama. Oh, my goodness. No way. I got the Victor Wembanyama rookie out of Topps. Let's go. Oh my goodness. I just ruined the corner again. That's a good way to end it, I guess. I wish that was an autograph. That would have been crazy if it was an autograph, but I am not complaining. Zach Jaloff, rookie, and Luis Arias. But yeah, wow. I guess we'll just go through the highlights. I'll take that last card. Victor Wembanyama, first pitch. A rookie card. Shohei Ohtani, stars of the MLB. Juan Soto, parallel. Yamamoto, rookie. Pete Crow Armstrong, rookie. Marte, rookie. Jordan Walker, number to 50. 30 of 50. You can see right there, the corner is a little bit messed up. But, yeah, just let me know. How do you guys prefer to sleeve cards? Because it seems like every time I sleeve cards, they literally get nicked. Like one of the corners gets nicked. And it's really annoying. But just let me know down in the comments. Wow, I just almost ruined that corner with my thumb. But anyway, just let me know down in the comments how you guys prefer to sleeve cards. Because I need some help because I'm struggling, I guess. Junior Caminero, stars of the MLB. Andre Lupcius, blue rookie. Yamamoto, Topps Chrome rookie. And a Heston Kjerstad rookie. So that was the box break. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more box breaks. Hopefully, maybe I'll do another Topps Series 2 Mega Box or maybe Optic Basketball, but every video I've seen of that has been absolutely horrible. But we'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.